The brewing spat between former Hawks head General Berning and Ntlemeza and Police Minister Fikile Mbalula is another unfortunate incident that undermines the rule of law. Mbalula announced last week that he was not going to appeal a court ruling that Ntlemeza is not fit to hold office due to the fact that it's not winnable. But Ntlemeza insists that he's going to work tomorrow despite the court order saying that only Parliament can fire him.
The court originally ruled that Ntlemeza is effectively not fit to hold the office. Initially, then Police Minister Nathi Nhleko appealed the decision, but the new incumbent Fikile Mbalula sees no prospect of success. He advised Ntlemeza not to go to work tomorrow. Legal experts say Ntlemeza's defiance amounts to the contempt of court.
The court has ruled that his appeal has failed, and the court has also ruled that he must vacate office immediately. Even if Mr. Ntlemeza decides to appeal, he must leave office now, because the court has ruled that it is in the interest of justice and in the public interest that he vacate office immediately. So whether Mr. Mbalula has ordered him to do so or not, the court has ordered him to do so, and in a constitutional democracy, the word of the court is what counts.
Political experts believe Ntlemeza is using this tactic as a way of trying to negotiate a massive golden handshake.
I think the end game is the policeman is in effect negotiating for the highest possible payout, but his employer has got counter to that. For example, as I mentioned, they could have a disciplinary inquiry into whether he is a fit and proper person to hold any job in the police service in view of the judge's devastating criticism. I think it was dishonesty. If this is evidence under oath, there's a question of perjury. All these are possible things for the police human resources department to follow up.
Gochak says Mbalula had no choice but to implement the court's decision. Both analysts believe that even if he was to be fired by Parliament, the legislature would be applying the court's ruling. Manelisi Tubase, SABC News, Parliament.
The Democratic Alliance is calling for a probe into a reported 30 million rand pension payout to former Eskom CEO Brian Molefe. The DA says it will be writing to the